Coming in 850 watt, 750 watt and 650 watt options, these 80 plus platinum power supplies are a great choice for your next build. In contrast to its ARGB cousins, this series of PF1s are entirely RGB-less, for those of you who prefer more of a professional, minimalist look. They're also fully modular, meaning you don't have to deal with an unruly jumble of cables that you might not even use. While Platinum PSUs are usually quite large, that isn't the case with the PF1. Coming in at just 140mm deep, 86mm high and 150mm long, this PSU is nice and compact, allowing for an easier fit in smaller sized cases. The Toughpower PF1's compact size is achieved by new board technology. This new design allows all SMDs to sit on the topmost side of the PCB. This prevents heat accumulation at the base of the PSU and allows cold air to easily pass through, ensuring your PSU's temperature is kept nice and low. Constructed using premium Japanese capacitors, the Toughpower PF1 provides excellent durability and outstanding stability. Additionally, a powerful single 12-volt rail provides stable and reliable power. Its 80 plus platinum certification also ensures the utmost energy efficiency. But what is cooling everything down in our PF1, you ask? Well, that would be our ultra-quiet 120mm hydraulic bearing fan. This fan has intelligent PHM controls, ensuring superior cooling performance and near-silent operation. This is aided by our additional Smart Zero fan feature, which can keep the fan from spinning until the load exceeds 30% of the power supply, keeping your components cool without unnecessary fan noises. Utilizing an anti-vibration mounting system with tons of ventilation holes, you can be confident that your power supply will be kept nice and cool even when running the most demanding games or programs. So if your current power supply is having a tough time under heavy programs or games, then it sounds like you need a bit of tough power. Our new sleek and simple Toughpower PF1 range provides unparalleled stability and efficiency. Coming in a compact size and with 3 different wattage options, you're sure to feel the power with one of these bad boys in your build.
Hi guys, Jeff here with Corsair. Today I wanted to give you a brief introduction to the Corsair RMi Series power supplies. The RMi Series is 80 plus gold certified and gives you extremely tight voltage control with virtually silent operation. They are made with Japanese capacitors rated for 105 degrees Celsius, and they're a great choice for high performance PCs where reliability is essential. You'll also be able to utilize our Corsair Link software to monitor and log fan speed, voltages, and power consumption. By default, the power supply operates in a multi-rail configuration. However, with the Corsair Link software, you can switch it over to a single 12-volt rail if you prefer. The cable set is fully modular, so you can use only the cables you need. This makes installation a lot easier, and you'll have a cleaner build without having to manage any extra cables. The RMi Series power supplies are available from 650 watts all the way up to 1000 watts, and they all come with a 7-year warranty. Like most other high-performance Corsair power supplies, the RMi Series has a 0 RPM fan mode. This means that the fan is rarely going to be spinning in your power supply, and that'll lead to much more quiet operation. To stay up to date with the latest Corsair products, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Great quality at a great value has arrived with the EVGA GQ Series power supply lineup. These modular power supplies offer unrivaled quality at a great value, including a full 5-year warranty backed by EVGA award-winning support, and are available in gold-rated efficiencies from wattages ranging from a high-end enthusiast 1000 watt unit down to a high-performance 650 watt unit. These power supplies also feature EVGA Eco Mode for the ultimate in silent operation with fans that do not turn on until necessary. 100% high-quality Japanese capacitors are used for unrivaled performance, and a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan for long lifespan and whisper silent operation. A modular interface gives you flexibility over cable selection for a clean and efficient PC, along with a single plus 12-volt rail offering up to 83.3 amps. All built into an active clamp DC to DC layout for the most efficient design possible. And of course, 80 plus gold certified, offering up to 90% efficiency at typical loads. Get great quality at a great value today with the EVGA GQ Power Supply Series.